Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tay, and today I have Spigen Thin Fit in red for y'all. This is like one of the newest colors. So I had this case in black, and it does come in like gold, silver, white, and a clear style as well. But it came out with this red. I'm guessing after the iPhone 7 product red came out. So if you don't have the product red iPhone and you wanted to get that red look, this might be a good case to check out. So this is by Spigen. Nice little brand. They have a lot of cases, and I'm gonna throw the link in the description. They have an Amazon store as well as a website that you can cop this from. And I got this from Amazon. It was like $14.99 for the red. I know the other colors are a little cheaper, like $9.99 or something like that. So this is simple little packaging that you always get it in black and orange with the name of the case and the image of it on the bottom right hand side. Comes in this nice little bag. Alright. And you know, this is a hot red color. It looks kind of like metallic. So it's pretty accurate to like the color that's on the website and on the packaging. So, and you have a cutout right here for your volume rocker and your mute silent switch. Nice big cutout for your camera, so it shouldn't affect your flash. Cutout for your power button. And then it's wide open in the bottom, open on the top. So this is a real minimal case. Don't expect too much protection. And then it has a nice little smooth feel to it. Doesn't look like it's not gonna pick up fingerprints. It may pick up grease or something, but right now it's not picking up any oils or anything from my hands, so that's a good look. I'll go ahead, throw the iPhone inside so we can see how it looks. Okay, that look real clean, look dope. Let's turn it to the back. Yeah, that joint look hot. So if you guys wanted to get a case, like I said, instead of having the red product edition of the iPhone 7, and this also fits the iPhone 8 as well, you can just go ahead and pick this up, and this way you can also have the black front with the red back instead of the red back, and the white front and the silver home button, where it looks like all the colors are just in disagreement with each other. So like I said, I'm gonna throw the link in the description down below, and if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm signing out. Peace.